Glob of Play-Doh. Glob of Play-Doh. What happens if the Play-Doh falls? What if it falls? What if it falls? Oh no! What if it falls? Oh no! You can put it up high and drop it. Oh no! Oh no!
Peace.
Peace? The snowman. Looks like a snowman.
Are you building a Play-Doh snowman?
You can use that too if you want to use the body. Cheese. Are you being filmed? Cheese. Let's look at him a little nose. This could be his nose. He looks like an elephant. He's an elephant. That's his trunk. Is that his ear? This can be his ear? Okay. That's his ear. He has another ear. Ear. Okay. Those are his ears. His trunk. Should we give him some eyes? Eyes. Okay. Put his eyes right there. Eyes. There. That's a that eye is substantially bigger than the other eye. That's okay. Okay.
It's an eye condition.
Yeah. What's that? Should that be a hat? Let's give him a special hat. Looks kind of like a sombrero. What's his hat?
He's a French snowman.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, right?
Is that a beret?
Give him a tail. What's that? He looks like an elephant, yeah, because he has a trunk. He has a little bit of a trunk. This could be the floor.